Hello and welcome to this video on the outcome of our monthly forecast meeting. I've been warning about inflation for a long time, but nevertheless I'm surprised by the strength of inflation. I don't think we have already seen the peak in inflation. For example, inflation in the US is likely to rise to over 9% in autumn. In the euro area too, the peak is probably not yet behind us. Because of stubbornly high inflation, the US Federal Reserve has tightened the pace of interest rate hikes. It has also made it clear that it is likely to raise its policy rate more than recently expected. Such a monetary policy tightening weighs on the economy. I now expect a recession in the US in the first half of next year. Regarding the Eurozone, we have revised economic growth significantly downward from 2.1 to just 0.8%. This is due not only to the recession in the US, but also due to the massive rise in gas prices. High inflation suggests that the ECB will raise its policy rate more than previously assumed. However, the ECB traditionally reacts very sensitively to a deterioration in the economic outlook. We have therefore decided to confirm our previous ECB forecast. Despite the higher inflation, it is likely to raise its deposit rate to 1.5% by spring next year. Regarding financial markets, the rise in bond yields is probably not yet totally through. The euro-dollar exchange rate could recover in the medium term if the US recession comes into sharper focus and the Fed starts to react to it. Otherwise, the DAX equity index should continue to tend downwards due to negative earnings revisions.